People from all over the globe are making a lot of money with this website, literally thousands of dollars, as you can see. This site I have never shown on this channel before, and in this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can do just as well as the people I've shown you a second ago, but without doing literally any of the work at all. This is pretty much done for you, and all you need to do is follow each and every step in this tutorial. Take action when this video is over, and you'll be able to set this up so you can effortlessly make big money online. Now, in case you're interested in making more money online and maximizing your results, then make sure you check out the first link in the description box below. There, you'll learn how I made my first $1,000 online, and how you can do the same, and more importantly, how you can do so in passive income as well. And with all of that said and done, let's now get right into this strategy. There are a few platforms that I will need to go over today, and by combining all of them, as you will all be able to see, you'll be able to make big money online doing literally no work at all. The first such platform you'll want to go over to is called ft.com, and as you can see on the homepage, find a domain name you'll love. So this is basically a place where you can buy and sell domains, and people are literally charging mind-blowing amounts of money for domains, as I will show you in a second. But before I do so, let me clarify this. You do not need a website for this. You don't need any tech skills whatsoever or any programming whatsoever. I won't tell you like to go to ft.com, purchase a domain, then build your own website from there. This is far, far simpler than that. I do know that obviously the vast majority of you watching this probably don't have any such skills. If you do, then great for you, but chances are you do not. And this is why in this tutorial, I will show you how you can take advantage of ft.com to make money online, but without doing any of the work and without needing any skills whatsoever. Anyhow, with that important bit of info out of the way, let me show you something on FT. If you click on Buy Domains here, you'll be able to see that people are selling domain names for like thousands of dollars, literally, which is crazy when you think about it. A domain name is basically the address of your website, and yet people are charging anywhere from somewhat reasonable $1,000 all the way up to $10,000 and more, so there is a lot of money involved here. And yes, you are all confused and puzzled as to why I'm showing this if you won't be building a website of sorts, but you'll want to remember these numbers. Keep them in the back of your mind because they will be extremely important later on. With all of that said, what I need from you guys now is to come over to ft.com, click on Start Selling here. On the next page, what you'll need to do is enter in all of your info, your full name in this box here, your email and password go in the boxes below. You will then enter in your password, credit card number, expiration month and year, and your CVC code. And no, don't panic. You won't need to pay FD right away. To use them in the long run, you will indeed need to invest a tiny bit of money, but for the first 7 days, as you can see near the top here, the website is 100% free. And if you're not satisfied, you can just cancel the free trial and you won't have to pay them anything. And yes, I know, paying FD you guys won't like, but as you will soon see, this strategy is not only incredibly easy, but it can make you so much money through ft.com that the money you invest into the website will be minuscule in comparison. And of course, the important bit is that you won't be investing any money up front, but rather giving away a portion of your profits, which is a far better option. So keep watching and trust me, you won't regret it. Now, with that said, the first of those two platforms you want to go over to is a site called GoDaddy.com. And what this site basically is a place where you can come and evaluate unused domain names. So type some domain name you come up with in this box, click on the search button or just hit enter on your keyboard, wait a couple of seconds, and this website will show you how much the said domain name is worth. What's very much noteworthy about GoDaddy is that it's a website stationed in the UK, meaning that they evaluate the domain names in pounds, not US dollars. So if you have a problem with that, just go over to Google, type in GoDaddy alternatives, and find some website you find more appropriate for you. The important bit here is that you find a website that can evaluate unused domain names for you. Which one in particular, it doesn't matter too much because they're all very good. Now, the second website you will need to go over to that will be extremely important for us is called justdropped.com. What you need to do once you come onto this site is you'll want to sign up. To do so, simply click on register. Then enter in much of the same data as you usually would on any site. Your name, your unique username, password, and email address. Then complete this CAPTCHA and click on register below to finish the process. With that done, let me now explain what this website is and how it is relevant for us. Just Dropped is basically a place where you can find and purchase expired or unused domain names. You can check them out by clicking on Daily Deals here. On the following page, you'll be able to see all of these domain names, guys. And here's what's so awesome about this website. The domain names you see are all selling most of the time for cheap, most of them around $100. But the more important bit for us is that the said domain names can literally be worth thousands of dollars. And how can we know that? Well, that's where GoDaddy comes in. What you can do, guys, is copy one domain name from this list, paste it in this box here, and this site will now show you how much it's worth. And if the domain name, for example, costs $100 and GoDaddy estimates that you can sell it for like £1,000, which is like $1,300 or so, then it's a no-brainer that you have an extremely worthwhile investment in front of you. And of course, once you purchase the domain name, you will then simply go back over to FD.com and put it up for sale. And that's it. Now, yes, this is not a free strategy indeed. But in my opinion, out of all of the videos I have released thus far, this is one of the best strategies I have come across. I mean, the domain name I found myself, for example, which costs $150 on JustDrop, but according to GoDaddy, it's worth over $1,400, which is very close to a tenfold difference. It is just crazy. And I can guarantee you that at least 50% of all of these domain names you see are all worthwhile investments. Once again, you do invest money into this, and it's not a secret, nor is it a great thing, of course, but the fact of the matter is that you can make like $1,500 for some of these domain names, if not more, for merely purchasing them and then reselling them on a different platform. It is as easy as that. No skills are required, no hard work, and this works worldwide. So if you do have a tiny bit of money to spare, guys, I highly recommend you at least give it a try. The potential here to make a lot of money online is insane. If you are interested in a free strategy though, then be sure to check out the videos that should pop up on the screen right about now. And with that said, if you liked this tutorial and you want to see more, then smash that like button down below so I know you're enjoying my content and so I keep producing more for you guys. And if you haven't already, then do yourselves a favor and subscribe to this channel with notifications on, as more videos are already on their way. Thanks to you all for watching, and see you soon in some of the upcoming videos.